Hello Jammers, Miss Lockdick Fox here and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you Animal Jam's newest updates. So, pet monkeys have arrived to Jamar. Have you seen the adorable pet monkeys that have come to Jamar? These awesome pets love to have fun and are waiting to be adopted in a diamond shop. These look like really cute pets, so be sure to buy them. And there's a new game called Spot On. Introducing Spot On, the fun new game where you can try and spot animals in pictures as quickly as you can. In Spot On, click anywhere on the picture to slowly reveal it. The answer once you know what animal the picture is of. The quicker you'll answer, the more gems you'll earn. Head to Kinborough Outback and play Spot On today. Let's try this new game. Cambria. Okay. Okay, so the new game. Bugs. Okay, I think this is the Black Widow. Oh, they're the most poisonous spiders in the world. Oh, grasshopper. Okay. I didn't know what a back swimmer is, so that was a lucky guess. So, sorry about that, guys. I just wanted to try out the new game. So, anyway, there's Spot On, the newest game. Okay. So then, the rumors are true, Jammers. Pandas, the lovable and exotic bears, will soon be returning to Jamar. So they're returning to Jamar after they were endangered for such a long time. Oh, sorry, let's turn the volume on. Aww. So cute. Aww. Cute. So, the pandas are coming to Jamar. Okay. So, then there's helping otters. AJHQ loves helping animals in the real world. Head to the Conversation Museum or click here below to watch a new video where AJHQ adopts an otter at a local aquarium. So let's see this. It's taking a while to load. Okay, so this is the video. Ooh, cool. at all these adorable
My name is Brian
creatures.
Marquez. I'm an animal keeper here at the Loveland Living Planet Aquarium in Draper, Utah. And right now we are in front of our North American river otter exhibit. Now, you guys actually adopted these otters, and we have 3 boys that are 4 years old, and their names are Oscar, Oliver, and Otis. Now, these guys are very playful. They're always moving around, always doing something. North American river otters are found all across the United States. They love fish, especially fish heads. Here at the aquarium, we give them lots of rainbow trout, smelt, capelin, and lots of fruit. These guys love carrots, celery, and apples. They love everything, even earthworms. A lot of times they'll take the earthworms and kind of play with them in their mouth. It looks like they have a little worm mustache. North American river otters depend a lot on their sense of smell. In fact, that's how they communicate to one another. They have special scent glands on their paws, so when they're walking around, they're basically smelling everything. Their hair is very densely packed together, and they have about 156,000 hairs per square inch. Now, what that does is it helps to keep them warm while they're in the water, and it helps to keep them warm in winter. These guys hang out in Utah, where it gets very cold and snows a lot, and their fur helps to keep them warm. Now, a lot of people confuse these guys for sea otters, but they're actually pretty different. Sea otters are much bigger than North American river otters, and sea otters live in the sea. They don't like to go on the land at all. When sea otters sleep, they'll actually tie themselves to kelp to stay in the ocean. Now, North American river otters, they get to be about 4 feet, and they weigh 25 to 30 pounds when they're full grown. Their tail makes up about 1/3 of their body size. North American river otters are very, very playful. So here at the aquarium, we want to make sure that they're not only physically healthy, but mentally healthy as well. So we do lots of things called environmental enrichment, which is introducing things into the otter's environment to switch things up. So today we use water jugs and put food in there, but we'll use lots of different things. We have different toys, different balls, branches, we have different smells for them. So we try to do lots of different things to keep them interested.
So that's the video. And then the weather. When the weather gets cooler and the leaves change color, it can only mean one thing. Autumn is here. And that means the night of the Phantoms, Jamal's spooky fall celebration, is coming soon. Oh, I can't wait. This is going to be my first Halloween in Jamal. This is going to be exciting. So, I think that's all the updates. There's still the AJ birthday party, so be sure to go there. The better party has disappeared now, I think. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, so, oh, okay, guys, so, anyway, oh, let's buy a pet rabbit, pink, okay, like that, ears, like that, okay, what should we name it? Red Pup. Okay. So that's... Sorry guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Happy jamming for now.